Hey, I'm Steve, and these are the grounding fitted sheets from Voreek. I've unboxed them, taken them out, so you can see what you're getting with these fitted sheets. Now, there's a lot of people that think using these sheets will reduce inflammation and will boost your energy. Now, my wife has been using these for months on her side of the bed, and it seems to have increased her energy level and she sleeps better, so I asked for one of these fitted sheets for my side. These sheets come with these snaps installed and also a cord. You'll snap that cord onto there, and the other end of the cord will go into your electrical outlet on the grounding pin. We have one of those Tempur-Pedic beds. It's a king size, and she gets her own side, I get my own side. Her sheets are installed, but here is the sheet installed on my side. Voreek supplies you with instructions to set up your grounding sheet on your bed. They supply you with this test pin to ensure that you have a truly grounded product. The pin tests to make sure you have silver fibers in your sheets. As you can see, my sheets are good. Snap one end of the white cord onto the sheet. Now you just take the other end of the white cord and plug it into the grounding part of your outlet. You're good to go. Everything is nice and safe, and you can experience grounding sheets. My wife loves these sheets. I've only experienced one night, which was last night, and I did sleep great last night. So if you are looking at grounding sheets for yourself, I hope you found my video helpful.